Rohan said to Seema, Rohan, Rohan told Seema that Riya would my hobby gives me immense pleasure and I am able to make the best use of my leisure time. Hobby is something that takes a person likes to do in spare time. My hobby is planting flower in my house garden. This plant, this plant है सीख वाला वैसा DIY, सीख वाला DIY, सीख वाला DIY, सीख वाला DIY, DIY अपने को नहीं hobby is something DIY. Hobby is something DIY. Therefore, B तो पहले नहीं आएगा ये खत्म करो B पहले नहीं आएगा B C D में कंक्लूड ये तो कंफर्म ये भी नहीं आएगा C D में कंफर्म आएगा ये है C D में eating out home food is certainly the best option to eat hygienic food. Therefore, occasionally eating outside is advisable, not regularly. However, hygienic food is not served every hour. Eating out has become common practice nowadays. Okay. Control those who eat out on a regular basis at least of various elements. Eating decent. The eating out on how the hygienic food is served every day. सही लग रहा है हमको check if you with correction you will achieve it if you wish enough if you try hard. It's incomparable lucid is first. It gives him a unique taste compared to standard reality. What is the Spanish operator? Term for Spanish operator नहीं पता है. School is written in this paragraph. Education makes us smart and help us grow. It lets us earn new things and chances to do better. School is where this journey begins. You had better incorrectly spirit of participation. This is predominant, permanent, preeminent, dog in church, bad person, unwanted guest, loyal person, 50%. Along hope for revival in private investment is not this long hope for revival in a private investment has not take place as practice in previous dependence DEPE and DNC resonate relation abstain OBST integrity IMTE GRT obtain the abstain resonate RESO and prevision of dependence insurance assure insurance they can't decide dash to travel north. It is that can't decide either both travel north. They can't decide both to travel north or south. They can't decide whether to travel north or south. which of the following sentence is correct? The man is mortal. The man is mortal. The beauty of India is which the Japanese are she have she have she have the man the beauty of India is which the Japanese are not only patriotic but also Oliver has got the land's shame. Largest question. Who could have made such a who could have made such a movie possible? By whom could by whom could such a silly mistake have been? So Patna forest have been an integral part of human life since the earliest time. Trees have provided shelter, transportation, and various products essential for our daily needs. The value of forest has been recognized. Measures have been structure. Enhances the basic material used for shelter since printed times. People from the reform revolution wood has been used to build frames for housing to prevent protection from the elements and wild animals. Even today, wood remains an important part for modern construction. From frames and doors to furniture, forests provide important resources for modern industry, such as production of paper, logs, and timbers are cut and turned into wood. And for the production of paper, including daily newspaper, the demand for paper is high, and this underscores the importance of forest in our life. Forests are also a source of importance to oil such as turpentine from North America, American pine forest, and palm oil from palm forest. Olive oil is produced from olive. American sugar maple provides sugar from its sap. Okay. Other forest products include flour for mattress from the cotton trees of West Africa, and a shelter necessary for growth of cocoa rows. Okay, forest plays a vital role in preventing soil erosion. They protect the soil. They revitalize the soil with human and vegetable matter. Forest also attracts rain clouds. Clear forest can lead to desertification. Forests provide habitat and shelter for wildlife and insect climate. Government prescribing protect environment of forest. ठीक है. With the tropical deciduous of forest offer natural beauty that humans can appreciate. In conclusion, forest and the trees. They are composed of vital to our existence. Their importance is reflected in the many ways they have contributed to human life. They provided shelter, and transportation to supply essential products from modern industry. Preserving forests ensures sustainable supply of timber and other forest products while protecting the environment and taken. By the central theme of the forest provide habitat and shelter for wildlife and intercept climate change, western preppers forest and trees are the component of battle to our existence, preserving forest and solar system and security. Provides the value of forest has been recognized through history and measures have been taken to prevent destruction. identify the suitable return forest, cutting forest model, define the difference from define the inference from the inference from whether practicality was a point for forest and natural beauty that is it. ठीक है forest provide important resources for modern industries such as production of paper, logs, and timber. Forest and trees are composed of wet over resistance. Their importance is reflected in many ways that contribute to human life, providing shelter, transportation, food supplying essential products and modern the value of forest have been recognized for forestry. However, measures have not been taken to prevent vitamins important correct form of green those activities will evacuate and then will live shallow shallow river provides will live with a forget exclusion of someone from the common group continues that information and information evolution. Nothing but cards. First my told his teacher, said to the teacher that as he had broken up late that day, as he had as I had broken up late today as I had broken up late today. I had had a previous person. I सबमिट करते हैं भाई. सेक्शनल टेस्ट खत्म हुआ. 38 गलत क्या क्या हुआ है. 38 गलत क्या क्या गलत प्लेयर डॉग इन चर्च बैट बनाना में ये होना चाहिए था. इंश्योर मीन्स तो श्योर होना. इंडेंजर इंश्योर मीन्स क्या होता है. इंश्योर मीन्स सुनिश्चित करना. इंडेंजर मीन्स किसी क्या पूछ रहा था? अपोजिट मीनिंग, ओके यार। आइडेंटिफाई द सेंट्रल थीम और आंसर क्या दे रहा है? फॉरेस्ट एंड ट्रीज दे आर कंपोज्ड ऑफ वाइटल टू आवर एग्जिस्टेंस। मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा। विल दोज हैप्पी डेज बी एवर फॉरगॉटन बाय मी? विल आई एवर फॉरगेट दोज हैप्पी, विल आई एवर फॉरगेट, विल आई एवर फॉरगेट दोज हैप्पी डेज? ये होना चाहिए था इसमें। ये तो पता ही नहीं था इसका क्या मतलब है। जारजुएला। चलो, तो आप लोग कमेंट करके बताना।